Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screens once again. And I know I've been gone, and you guys are probably thinking, like, what is she doing? Like, what is she doing? Listen, girls, I honestly didn't know how I was going to plan to do like my comeback, but here I am, and I thought, wouldn't be such a nice treat for me not to just come back but to also like do a hair care review, and that's exactly what I have done. I have gone to Foschini. They've got a new hair care line, and I don't know if everybody has tried it yet. In case you were wondering, I will be here to review it for you, and then perhaps you just may consider it when on your next wash day. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. I'm coming to you guys barefaced and beautiful without a face that's washed or whatever. And I just did my hair. You guys can tell. You guys can see. It's dirty. She's dirty. Okay. She's like super dirty. So let us get right into it. I don't want to waste your guys' time. So we've got a leave-in conditioner. Just there we go. It's a spray situation that you can open, and yeah, and just try it out. And then I also got the moisturizing conditioner. This I got in a mini size because I didn't want to purchase something and then I didn't like it, because I think that's the point of a review, to test them out. And then I also got the softening moisturizing shampoo. It looks like that. Very cute packaging, very aesthetic, very soft. Okay, very cutesy, very neutral. And then I also got their anti damaged hair cream, which contains shea butter, castor oil, and some sort of keratin in here. Ooh, ooh, okay. This is how she looks like. This is how she looks like. Oh, she smells good. And it looks very watery and lightweight. Very lightweight, very thin. It smells good. It's not overpowering. I don't like products that are too scented, honestly speaking. So I'm quite excited to use this. So the mini conditioner costs me 59 Rand, and they were running a special. So these things were on promotion, and I got 10 Rand off. So this was 49 Rand. This was 59 Rand. It says it right over there on the packaging. So I got 10 Rand off, so that means it was 59 Rand, as well as the leave-in conditioner, which retails, it doesn't have the original price, but here I got a discount and I got it for 100 Rand, and as well as the anti-breaking hair cream. I know this retails for I think about 115, if not 119, 20 Rand, and I got it for 100 bucks. Good morning, everybody, and it's the next day, and all I've done is just undo my twist outs. So I just wanted to take out a few of them with you guys in front of the camera. So I'm just going to be using my trusted MPL oil. You just need something super light. You don't even need a lot, like a little bit, okay? You don't need too much. And then you just take it down just like that. What is this? Gosh. Okay, there we go. So I am getting ready to go have breakfast with my little sister. So yeah, I wanted to come up here all dolled up for you guys and also give you my final thoughts on the products. So far, what I can tell you is that my hair is soft. My hair is actually soft. And then we have one last one to take out over here. So what I did was I twisted this part of my hair, and then the first few bits, like about 22 centimeters, I first started with a 3-strand braid and then braid. I started with a 3-strand braid, and then I moved on to twisting my hair so that my roots are stretched because I didn't want to use any heat to accomplish this hairstyle. So basically, this is how we are looking. I still have some of that oil on my hands. So this is the texture of my hair, which looks super thick, super beautiful, honestly. My hair does feel soft, like I mentioned. So I haven't styled my hair. I will figure that out after this video, but this is how she looks like. Very thick, very curly, beautiful, moisturized, thick. From all sides. So let us start with the shampoo. Thoroughly enjoyed the shampoo. This is a proper sulfate-free shampoo. I do have to say, the second time I washed my hair, because you must always wash your hair at least twice, it did lather up a lot, and I should have just used a tiny little bit, but I thoroughly enjoyed it. I will be using it again, especially because it is a moisturizing and softening shampoo, and I think the softness of my hair definitely started from the shampoo. And then moving on to the conditioner, I used all of it for my hair. There's probably like a little bit left, so I would say the travel size is good for just one use, so just commit to the bigger bottle. Would I use this again? I think I would, especially at the price point that it was at. I think I did say this retailed for 50 rand. I loved it. It had hyaluronic acid and it was also sulfate free, so I suppose that hyaluronic acid, like I said, if it behaves the same way on your skin as it's supposed to on your hair, then it's definitely hydrating my hair and has locked in that moisture from the jump. I mean, you guys can tell my hair is like, it's moving. It's not like stiff. It's not, you know, it's not stressed or feeling malnutritioned. And then the leave-in conditioner, I will be using it again. It's quite milky. And the cool thing about it is that I will be shooting my second video to show you guys how I'll be taking care of my twist out and how long it lasts in a span of a week. And I will be reusing these products only because they are the products that I have been using. I thoroughly enjoyed this, and I like the fact that it has protein. So in the midst of it being in my hair right now, it's still also conditioning my hair and strengthening my hair more than anything. So I absolutely loved it. Okay, the product that I absolutely love. So this is the product that gave us these curls. I can't tell you if this is supposed to be like it's not a gel, but it was able to define my curls. It's just a anti-breakage hair cream, and I decided to use it as a styling product, and I can say that I will be using it going forward, not just to moisturize but to also style my hair. I like how thin it is, and how conditioned my hair feels super soft, you guys. Like, I don't know, you guys are gonna have to tell me in the comment section if you'll be purchasing them. At least try them out. You guys, I always say this, especially if they're at a good price point. I would say try all 4 products. They have different they have different ranges in this product line. So they have like an aloe vera one as well. So definitely go there, take your time, figure out what it is that your hair needs. I thoroughly enjoyed
recording this video and reviewing these products. I am thoroughly impressed with them. Will I be purchasing them again? I would say yes for these two. Yes, I would say definitely yes for these two. However, if I am looking for, I think I have used better conditioners out there. So for me, the conditioner and the shampoo is not like a trade smash. Should I not purchase them again? But this leave-in conditioner as well as these two, these I will definitely be repurchasing again. So let me know in the comments if you guys are going to be trying it out. And as I mentioned, I am back. I'm back, and I'm excited. I already have plans on what the next video is going to be. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next one, and goodbye.